Hi, my name is Nick Wynn. I'm the owner here at Tint World North Raleigh. Today is our grand opening event. So we just wanted to capitalize on this opportunity to really take the time to introduce ourselves to the community. We were able to talk to a lot of different folks, see all different kinds of vehicles. We were able to raise some money for some great local charities. We had lots of food, lots of prizes, lots of giveaways. We're really happy with the way everything turned out today.
I'm Mike Lopez, COO of Tint World. The design and the build out is second to none. The displays, the customer interaction, the way the shop looks in the back, very clean, very controlled environment. I think what's great is that he has the opportunity to really kind of dig in with his father, make it more of a family affair. His dad has offered a tremendous amount of guidance on the business side.
I am beyond grateful to have the support of my family. Without my mother, my father, and my wife, there's no way I'd be standing here before you today with this beautiful shop serving this community.
It's been invigorating at my age to learn some new things. I find our customers fascinating. They all have a different story, and if you ask them a couple questions, they're more than happy to tell you. So for me, it's been fascinating to get to know the customers and to try to make it a personalized experience for them. What I want to provide is great service. We give them a great product, and hopefully that all adds up to a great experience.
Nick has been super receptive to feedback and wanting to do the right thing. We're just really excited to get this unit up and running.
With this being a family-run business, we want that to be reflected in everything that we do. The way we treat people, the quality we put into our work, types of materials and products that we sell. We're here 6 days a week. We offer fantastic products and services. We have an amazing selection of window films, stereos, lighting. Come on by, check us out, bring your car. We'll show you examples, we'll show you demonstration cars, and we'll get to the best solution for your needs.